This video will show you how to inspect the simulated cut model with Vericut's analysis tool, AUTO-DIFF. Here we have a Vericut project open. The Vericut setup is complete, and now we can play the simulation. In Vericut, the simulated cut model can be compared to the design model to detect gouges or excess material. We can run AUTO-DIFF with the workpiece view or the machine view. To make it easier to see, we will use just the workpiece view. The features on the AUTO-DIFF window enable you to compare the design model to the Vericut simulated cut model. With these settings, any gouges deeper than 5 thou will be reported and the differences shown in red. This is done by selecting the Compare button. Now we can see the gouges in red. Also note that the AUTO-DIFF results indicator shows that some errors have been detected. To view these results, we will look in the AUTO-DIFF tab of the Vericut logger. The AUTO-DIFF data in the Vericut logger provides information related to errors detected by AUTO-DIFF, information about the tool, NC program record, and the location of the error. The report is also useful to find errors which are too small to see. With AUTO-DIFF, we can quickly switch the comparison type in order to see the excess material. Vericut enables you to select a region to perform AUTO-DIFF on. Compare by region was created for very large parts that would require too much memory for AUTO-DIFF to process the entire part. We simply adjust the size and the location of the region, and then select Compare. And that's it. For more information on the features you have seen here, see the Vericut help.